In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FreshBooks. Beginner's tutorial. First, we'll get your account set up. Click the settings gear to open your company profile. Upload your logo so your brand appears on every invoice, and pick colors and fonts that match your look. While you're here, enable online payments like credit card payments or bank transfers so clients can pay straight from the invoice. Saving these preferences once means you won't repeat them later, and it helps you get paid faster. Next, add the people and work you bill for. Head to the Clients tab and choose New Client. Enter contact details and an email address so invoices and reminders reach the right inbox. If you work with teams, use notes to store context you'll need later. Then open the item section to create your products or services. Add clear descriptions and standard rates. This is what autofills on invoices and keeps your pricing consistent. Now let's create and send your first invoice. Go to the Invoices tab and click New Invoice. Select the client from the dropdown. In the Details area, add the items you set up earlier. FreshBooks will bring in the description and rate automatically. Set a due date, apply any discount, and if you use them, define late fees. Add a short message with terms so expectations are clear. Hit Preview to check formatting, then choose Send to email it directly. From your dashboard, you can see when the invoice is viewed and when payment arrives. To stay tax ready, track expenses as you go. Open the Expenses tab. For a manual entry, click New Expense, record the vendor, amount, and date, and categorize it properly, such as office supplies or meals. On the mobile app, snap a photo of a receipt, and it will log the expense for you. You can also securely connect a business bank account or card to automatically import transactions, review and categorize these regularly. If you bill by the hour, use time tracking. Open the time tracking tab, start a timer while you work, or enter hours after the fact. Assign time to a specific project or client. When it's invoice time, add those tracked hours with a click so nothing billable is missed. Finally, check your numbers with reports. In the Reports tab, review profit and loss to see income minus expenses, sales tax summary to prepare filings, and aging invoices to find who still owes you. A quick monthly review helps you spot trends and make better decisions. That's the basics. Set up once, keep entries tidy, and FreshBooks will handle the heavy lifting.